If you are going to commit at least 2 hours a week to your portfolio and you are willing to learn how to invest and understand it can take years, then watch this video. Let's get into it right away on what you have to do and the steps to buy your first stocks. 1. You need a bank account to send and receive the money to your investing account. First, you will need to have a bank account. I always recommend checking out if you can link your bank to your investment account. If not, open a bank account in one of the selected banks by your broker. This will make the money transferred much easier, cheaper, and faster. In the USA, normally all brokers accept the big banks such as Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, and others. I use Bank of America and it is great. 2. You need a brokerage or investment account. This is the account where you will send the money you want to invest. Many banks offer investment accounts. For example, you can open a Merrill Lynch account with Bank of America. In any case, you can look for other options taking in consideration the minimum to open the account, the fees, and the overall experience of the product. I use interactive brokers and I love it, but there are many options. Please, if you are enjoying this content, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which content do you like to see here. 3. You will need to have your documents. Brokerage firms, in the same way as banks, will require you to provide them with documents such as ID, tax returns, residency proof, among others to complete the process of Know Your Customer or TYC. So check out what you need. 4. Gather the money. Once you have everything set up, you need to gather the money you want to invest. Some brokers will require $10,000, others $5,000, and others none. Also, you need to consider how much do you want to invest in relation to your total assets. My advice will always be start small and grow the amount with time once you learn what is working for you. 5. Send the money to your broker's account. 6. Do your research on where you want to invest. Do you want to buy Tesla stock, Apple, a diversified ETF, bonds? Investing and building a portfolio takes time and big losses are a consequence of ignorance. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe and like button to support this content. I'll see you later, Wall Street Gods.